Today, we're gonna bake the yummiest cookies ever!
Chirp! Cookies? I'm in!
We need flour, sugar, eggs, and chocolate chips. Don't forget a pinch of fun.
Let's mix it all together.
It's hard work for a little chick.
I made a star!
Mine looks like a quacky duck!
Careful! The oven is hot!
Cookies are going on a warm ride. Is it ready yet? Good cookies take time.
We did it! Fresh and fabulous!
Let's eat and share with friends.
Good chefs clean up too.
And now, high five!
Thanks for joining Duck and Chick. Remember, Sick, cooking is fun when you do it together. See you next time.